Hi everyone, we will be looking at fraction today. What is fraction? Fraction represents equal parts of a whole or a collection. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is known as a fraction. So here, as you can see, we have a one whole pizza. Let's take this pizza as an example, and if we were to divide this pizza into two parts, each part will be known as a 1/2 in fractions. Now the same pizza, if was to divide it by into four parts, each part of this pizza will be known as a 1/4 in fractions. Now let's look at another example. If we have one whole pizza and half the pizza is eaten from the whole pizza, we are left with half. So the fraction of the pizza left, as given in the earlier example, is 1/2. Now what does 1 represent and what does 2 represent? 1 represents numerator, and number 2 below the line, under the line, is denominator. The fraction can be also written as 1/2, and it will be known as half. Now let's look at another example. In this example, we have 4 slices of pizza. Now we want to identify how many slices of pizza is with cheese and how many without cheese. So for this example, everything in orange is with cheese and one slice in black is without cheese. So here the fraction of pizza slice without cheese is 1/4. Or we can also say 3/4 of pizza is with the cheese. Now let's look at this example here. We have taken the different shapes. We've taken 5 different shapes, or 4 different shapes I should say. We've taken triangle, star, square and circle. In this example, whole number will be represented by 5 because I have 5 shapes which makes my whole number. So here let's find out how many orange triangle is the fraction out of this 5. So the answer will be 1/5 of triangle is orange. Or I can even turn around and say 4/5 of 5 shape that I have is not orange triangle. Now let's look at another example. Let's say I want to know what is the fraction of triangle in this shape. So the triangle, I have 2 triangles out of the 5 shapes that I have. So the answer will be 2/5 of 5 shapes are triangle. Or I can say 3/5 or 3/5 of 5 shapes are not triangle. So now let's recap. What is fraction? Fraction is an equal part of collection when we divide a whole into equal parts. Each part is a fraction of the whole. Now when we looked at numerator, we know the top number of the line is called the numerator. It tells how many equal parts of the whole or collections are taken. Denominator, on the other hand, is the number below the line. It shows the total divisible number of equal parts, the whole parts, or the total number of equal parts which are there in collection. Thank you very much for watching. Please do subscribe and leave a comment.